So I have two parts. One is the lehenga actual net material, which I cut it for 38-inch waist size, and the length is 40-inch. And the frills are actually made for 38-inch waist size. You have to get it in trial and error method so that the waist becomes 38-inch. And the top layer is the umbrella cut for the lining. Please look into my other video for umbrella cutting. And now I'm attaching these two pieces together so you get the lehenga. Now in order to make the lining equal in length, you can have some kind of frills here and there, and that would give a free look, free flow for the inner. So now I've joined these two pieces together, so you go like this. So that's it. The lehenga looks like this, and now you have to stick to the corners for attaching the zipper. So I tuck it in like for about 6 to 7 inches, and later you can join the zipper. So it goes like this. That's about it. Thank you.